Good morning, Ma'am. Good morning, classmates. We are the Table 5 and we are presenting the review of related studies.
Objectives. At the end of this chapter, the student will be able to analyze the different source of references materials that are related to the research problem and construct a review of related studies for your research. Related studies. Determining whether the research is objective and empirically based entails surveying previous studies that involve similar variables. The researcher should be reminded, however, that even if the same variables have been used previously. Similar studies may vary in the delimitation in terms of the sub-variables investigated or in terms of focus and purpose. So, related studies, you determine the focus and the purpose of the research. And you will be determining the same variables and the objective of its research. So in related studies, you will be able to know the researcher to compare and contrast his or her findings. And you can be find a similar findings or related to different previous research. So that is the related. The gathered studies are related to the present research when. Number 1, they use the same variables, sub-variables, conceptors, construct, or they have been the same subject or topic of the study. In writing a review of related studies, the following data must be indicated. 1. The name of the author, date and setting of the study, title, the silent findings, which are the most important, ingredients to include, since the discussion of the variables and their relationships will be based on them.
Related studies, example number 1. Attributes of this paper and level of performance of students, basis for the formulation of the guidelines on this paper, construction, Cristobal 2014. The findings in the study of Beverly Alford entitled Systematic Classroom Observation of the Quality of the Teacher, Behavior of Student Engagement, and Ethnically Diverse Pre-Kindergarten through second grade classroom have significant bearing to the tertiary level. Little to no variation existed and the activities in which young children were engaged in their classroom, nor in the instructional practices utilized by their early childhood teachers. Accordingly, the study revealed few differences in student behavior and teachers' practices by student sex, student ethnicity, grade levels, English language proficiency, and or economic status. Instructions in this classroom was almost entirely standardized. However, 3 statistically significant findings showed that a student taught by teachers rated as having higher developmentally appropriate instructional practices or DIAP score were more likely to be on task and less likely to be off task. Students taught by teachers with a higher DIAP scores were significantly more likely to be working kinesthetically, answering nature-posed questions, and freely exploring, and students taught by teachers with lower DIAP score were significantly more likely to be distracted and were not engaging in activity. Study findings were significant despite research showing the unforgettable effect that highly teacher-centered scripted classrooms have on young students. Engagement and subsequent learning outcomes. Students continue to be taught in the same way on which reaching a designated test scores appears to be a singular ultimate objective. Another study by Pong 2009 that focuses on the students' behavior and achievement when classroom observation was conducted showed that close teacher-student relations and teacher self-reported use of good instructional practices predict positive student academic achievement. Interaction results indicate that the association between close teacher-student relations and student achievement is slightly stronger in classroom with more academic achievement. The mean perception scores of teacher were the highest and those of student were lowest. There was non-significant difference among the main view scores of principal, teachers themselves, and students about teachers' performance of the methodology. The mean perception scores of the teacher were the highest and those students were the lowest. There was a highly significant difference among the mean of principal, teachers themselves, and students about teachers, the factors of personal characteristics. However, the main views of principal teachers scored themselves, and students were found different on the factors of teachers' personal performance of teaching the factors characteristics. In this study, the evaluation techniques used are the administrators, clinical supervisors, most especially the classroom observation, and the perceptions of the student in this were done by reading the evaluation instrument and writing comment regarding the same.
Related studies example number 2. Remedial, reinforcement, and enhancement modular learning activities in science, health, and elementary schools. An action research, JAMIN 2015, various studies have been conducted on different instruction and problems. The following a study was done by lab who developed self-instructional materials to meld the selected deficiencies and basics in the Bachelor's Degree of Science in Information Technology curriculum at the Summer Polytechnic College. The findings revealed that the developed instructional materials were more effective in attainment and remediation purposes. He recommended that the instructional materials should be developed further based on the difficulties or deficiencies of the learners. Intermediate grades pupils showed that the majority of the teachers have inadequate in arm-up activities, health-related fitness concepts, teaching skills development, as well preparation and physical education. The degree of compliance on teaching or modular lesson skills activities fairly developed physical education shall be designed and implemented. This present study is related to or undertaken signals that the modular focus on the work of Kabidog in the sense that they both give importance or value to the modular approach and teaching for skills development. However, these studies differ in the subject focus. The present study is on science and health. On the other hand, Kabidog's was on physical education. Meanwhile, Talwa developed instructional modules and health education for first-year high school. Her study waiting for this type of instructional modules to improve the students' performance. And health education, her study concluded the learning components and areas in health education were further developed. This implies the necessity for the researcher to develop and construct instructional modules in health education for first-year high school students to ensure readability.
The study conducted by Galapagos significance on the present study because it recognized the importance of modules of instructional materials to improve learners' performance.
The study conducted by Valeriano, which aims to develop action game type modules, oral language skills for grade 1 is related to the present study since both aim to develop instructional materials in modular form for pupils, skills development, and for teachers used to sustain for the entire school year in teaching. The difference lies in the respondents of study. Since Valeriano's study had grade 1 pupils as respondents while the present study
As a grade 5 pupils as response, meanwhile, Valeriano studies focus on language development while the present studies and science on the health skills. Nobel conducted another study which attempted to determine the development of module for the remedial instruction in science and health for grade 5 focus on Maydolong District Education Eastern Samar to find out the effectiveness of the instructional materials. She first conducted this before administering the module of the response.
So she found out that those who utilize the instructional modules have a fast concept development. In the study of Postebulo, which employed the descriptive research method through a survey questionnaire and reading proficiency test to gather data. It was revealed that 14 out of 18 complete elementary schools in the Gamin North District got a qualitative description as needs remediation. One of the recommendations in order to improve the academic performance of the children in English language is that teachers shall be creative and innovative in using different teaching aids or materials and various manipulative activities to make learning more effective. In addition, the use of English language for grade 5 is recommendation in the Gamin North and South districts. The study of Costiblo is the same as the present study, hence the utilization of modules as instructional materials is important in improving or developing the skills of pupils. The only difference is in the learning domain and the level of learners. Costiblo is
In the International Conference on Risk Management, Assessment, and Mitigation held in the Bucharest, Morin et al. 2010, it was concluded that his distinct responsibility, ecologic responsibility, will determine as greater attention from the commercial societies regarding protecting the natural environment. Conceptually speaking, including an independent element within the general concept of social responsibility. Ecological responsibility, together with the other four responsibility types, was justified by the actual evolution of society and by the complexity of ecological aspects which succeed juridical or economical responsibility categories. The ecological responsibility of commercial companies refers to the integrating the request of protecting the natural environment within the politics and strategies of any commercial society.
Many benefits from the corporate social responsibility endeavors were also defined based on their study conducted by Zelikin as cited by Samuel 2008 in areas of marketing, shareholders, values, human resources, and innovation. London-based and Diego Place reported that between 1994 and 1998, 22 case-related marketing projects it raised 600,000 for cost while increasing sales of trusted brands by 17%. Are since study by Interbrands and conclude that a full quarter of the world total financial wealth is tied in assets such as reputation, brands, quality, strategic positioning, alliance, knowledge, and like Monsanto's experience is introducing gently modified seeds dramatically illustrates the tremendous negative impact on stakeholder values, brand equality, and reputation that can be caused when a company is perceived to be behaving in what the social responsible the National Leadership Council, Washington, D.C. analyzed. Company-sponsored school to work program and fund positive returns investment in most companies. 2009 conducted a study in Czech Republic and his findings showed that 64% of the company survey knew the CSR concept. 90% of the companies consider as active participation, and CSR is important for company. However, activities of this field should not outweigh the key mission generating profit. Also, according to opinion of respondent, CSR activities of the company should not dispense the role of duties. The state 84% respondent planned to extend their activity.
The result of the study of Tilakisari 2012, when he studied the level of awareness of 6 companies in Sri Lanka regarding corporation social responsibility, found out the following: the 6 companies have the CSR concept and there is the consideration of social responsibility. Each company has concept the described sociability in the community and integration of special and environment consideration. The same profile and integrating CSR for social welfare and community development. The company with high CSR expenses have more commitment with long-term sincerity of the business. Also, a study of 25 companies by Direction 2006 found out that CSR has been good for a cooperation with their suppliers and among other things lead to higher quality and delivery accuracy. This is because the work with their code of conduct has led to an increased attendance rate in their factories. Well, in 2004 found out the CSR is expected in principle to redirect the focus on the operation activity from the exhibition of shareholder to interest that observe that workers of socially responsible firms produce longer cakes but smaller portions of cakes to sold.